We are here at the Concord Flea Market, guys, and why are we here? Because, hey, we got to make money. It is a Saturday morning. We got a big day ahead of us. We have sold every day this week and then some. It is November, and we are going hard. We've had some major shows. We got some updates. We bought storages. We got Amazon to go through, but most importantly right now, let's see if we can go pick some money. Cheesy burger. What are you selling? End of the world food? Huh? This end of the world food right here? Is that a jar of weed you're selling over there? Is that a jar of weed you're selling over there? Oh, look at this guy. He's selling weed out here.
This is dry.
And I just don't got time to sit here for that. A lot of people sit here for hours just going through each booth, each piece. I got too much to do. I don't got that much free time or desire. Pete, are you selling out here today?
Yeah, look at me sell.
Yeah, look at you go. Look at you go. How much you selling these for?
Well, you know, each one of these balls go for $10, but $10 for the whole thing. And then a box of three of these in a box for $25. You got three come in a box. I think these can scoot over. This is all.
I think about that. I sell on Whatnot. I'm curious if they would sell there.
On Whatnot?
Yeah. I've never done any LOL toys there. What about these ones?
Same thing. There's 10, 10, 25 for the box. 10 each or 25 for the box. There's 3 of them in the box. How many do you want? How much you see them for on this?
I don't know what they on. I was just looking on eBay. That's where I always compare prices to first, you know, because there's no comparison on Whatnot. I do a lot of dollar start auctions, so they could just sell for $1 or they could go for like 20 a piece. There's just no telling, you know.
That's what type of auction that we had. We owned the BitRL auction. And
oh, you were selling on there?
Yeah, everything started at $1.
Yeah, that site's tough though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not.
No, we had a whole warehouse. That's why we got all this stuff.
Oh, you bought them on RL?
No, we owned the warehouse in Bakersfield.
Oh, okay. Understandable.
Bakersfield. We closed it down though, so this is all the stuff we got left. We got a lot of stuff, so we be out here every week with different stuff: music equipment, bikes, electric scooters, household like sinks and.
Yeah, I think I saw you guys before.
All kind of stuff. Right now, we just got toys and baby stuff today.
You guys got other toys besides LOL in here?
Just Ryan's World and some other
Ryan's World, these right here.
and then we have some I think it's cars.
That's a YouTuber kid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the 5th richest freaking YouTuber in the world. All right, these people have a bunch more to point out. I was gonna leave. I already bought a little load. I'll show you back at the warehouse. They used to sell on RLauctions.com, which I've never used. I think it's kind of like, I don't know, I just not my not my cup of tea. But I gotta go back and see what else they unload now. All right, guys, I spent all my money today on a huge load of toys. I do have a big holiday show coming tomorrow, so this is perfect. Oh, I should have brought that. That would have probably been brilliant. All right, so these were a little rafferty, but it doesn't matter. I paid like 10 bucks for 3 of them. They're cool. I'll probably just sell them as a lot or make them giveaways, because that's what we do. That's He-Man, the Master of the Universe, and Orko, his trusty steed. 79 a piece sold on eBay, and that is my picking day. I just spent all 308 bucks I had on me. Unload the car, see what we got. I think I paid 25 for this, and there is like, I want to say 1, 2, 3. There's 12 packets in here. Those are 10 bucks each. So I mean, I can probably double my money on that one. I don't know if this was a wise move, but I figured at least it'd be cool. To chat needs some cool stuff right here, right? I paid 30 bucks a box for these. Yeah, I wish that, sadly, they're only the one kind of pop. I don't know how popular they're going to be, but
Who is it?
they're nice because they're in this protective case.
Yeah. You want to bring the rest of it in?
Yeah, if you want to. These are not that special. Oh, they have a hard case, so that's what makes them different, the hard case. We'll see. We'll see what people feel about those. I might have not, should have got those. You got these right here. I paid 40 bucks for a box of these, and only one is sold on eBay for freaking 79 bucks on eBay. So if that's the case, then I could literally sell them on eBay, and I paid 40 for one, and I could turn into 120. That's kind of cool. And ooh, I don't know who this kid is, but I know he's a big YouTuber. I just bought this just to see what it's about. It's a whole set of Ryan's World exclusive toys. I guess he's like, he's probably one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. He's like Mr. Beast level, you know what I mean? Everybody say good morning to Stickle Pickle. What's up, Stickle Pickle? Nothing, just freaking looking at my flea market spoils. You know? I got some LOL dolls. That's a kind of a cool set right there. I got this right here is kind of cool too. I'll sell these by the ball. Let's see what we got here. There's 12 packs in there. I only got one of these. I guess I did. And I got a 1 pack of those and 2 packs of these. I think that's not a bad pick. I guess I got another case of these ones. I thought I got 2 of these, but it's looking like I didn't. It's looking like I didn't. I got a couple Masters of the Universe here. And yeah. Let me see that. Handcrafted crystal mixing glasses. That's probably nice. Mixology and craft.
Itch support, relief, and shed support for dogs. These are little boxes of miniature birthday party gift or party savers.
Lunch bag for woman, man, insulated school, flower black.
Phosphorus thing.
This is the lightest box I've ever had.
Shirt. They're like little Chinese New Year figures. New York.
Oh, I know. Can you guess what these are?
What? Parking assist backup.
Makeup?
Oh, it's for your
No.
car.
I know, it's being sarcastic.
You don't know what they are? You know what they are?
The AirPods.
I think I
Yeah.
or something. I know what they
The TW2s. I think we sold a few of those. I don't know.
makeup organizer.
Oh, these are a little different, no? Okay, they're the
No.
same.
More of these fresh linens. I like the way these feel though.
I think I should put these. I think people would like these.
Yeah.
Because they're for your shoes, right? Like you put
Yeah.
them in your shoes.
I have some in my boots right now for ROTC.
Okay.
This could be your buy it now box.
I think we'll just leave this